dito sa UST, mahalaga na tayo mabuhay with holiness within us. Bilang isang Thomasian student, we are called to integrate faith and keep cultivating our connection with Jesus Christ. Oh, let's din kay St. Thomas Aquinas ha, pero hindi si St. Thomas ang bida ngayon. Kundi, ang aming saint dito sa AB building, si St. Raymond. Alam mo ba na maliban sa isa siyang saint, tinagurian din siyang a man of arts and letters?
As he dedicated himself not just to understand and defend the faith but also to studying. He became a philosophy teacher and even earned a civil and canon law doctorate at University of Bologna.
At kami bilang art-led students, nararapat lang na gawing inspirasyon si St. Raymond for us to be influenced and have more knowledge kung paano nga ba mas mag-aaral ng mabuti and how to live a holy life, kahit sa simple mga paraan lamang.
Diba, sabi nga nila, we exist to embrace the likeness of Jesus. Pero, paano tayo magiging Jesus kung hindi natin alam maging saint sa sarili nating paraan? And now na nalaman na natin ang buhay ni St. Raymond, ready na ba kayong isabuhay ang mga ito? Here are 5 ways and how to be holy. First, commit to daily prayer and reflection. Bawat saint ay naglalaan ng oras upang makapagdasal. Even si St. Raymond. Kaya tayo, we can set aside quiet time each day for prayer. Read the Bible and reflect on how God is working on our lives. Kahit 10 to 15 minutes lang.
Second, use your knowledge to serve others. Katulad ni St. Raymond, nang siya'y naging isang canon lawyer, ginamit niya ang kanyang katalinuhan upang tumulong sa mga simbahan at sa ibang tao. Kaya rin natin gawin yun, Thomasians. Maaari natin gamitin ng ating skills at mga learnings dito sa UST not just for self-benefit, but for the good of others and the glory of God.
Third, live with integrity and discipline. Tayo bilang students, we can apply this tip by being consistent and honest in our actions, even when no one is watching. Create small routines that reflect discipline, such as waking up on time and organizing our responsibilities.
Fourth, commit to ongoing learning. Throughout the life of St. Raymond, siya nag-aral at nagturo sa mga tao. Kaya tayo bilang Thomasians, let's keep on learning. Mapa-theology man, new skill, or life lessons so we can grow in holiness and be more effective in helping others. Sabi nga nila, every day is a learning opportunity.
Lastly, support the spiritual and corporal works of mercy. Kilala si St. Raymond in caring for the spiritual and practical needs of others. Kaya we can live a holy life by volunteering our time, donate to those in need when we can, or simply be present for someone who needs support.
That's all for the tips on how to live a holy life inspired by St. Raymond.
Kaya kung hindi ka Thomasians or hindi ka artlets, pwede mo pa rin isabuhay ang mga ito.
Kaya sino ang next saint ang gusto nyong i-feature namin?
Comment down below and we will see you on our next video. Bye!
Bye!